Easter weekend is coming up and we have got a jam-packed weekend for you. So first of all, on Good Friday there's going to be a special communion service from 7 until 8 p.m. Please come along for that. Then on Saturday we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to be having a family walk. So anybody is welcome to come along for this. It'll just be a short walk, nice and leisurely. Push chairs and wheelchairs will be accessible on the path as well. And there'll be hopefully a coffee shop at the end for us to enjoy too. So that's the Saturday. We'll be meeting here at the church at 10:30. We will give more details in case you want to actually meet us at the place where we'll be doing the walk as well. And we will be providing a minibus service which you can register for online. Then on Sunday we've got 3 things happening. First of all, we've got a baptismal service at 11 o'clock, so please join us for that. It's going to be a fantastic celebration together on Easter Sunday morning. But we're going to follow that with an Easter egg hunt for all the children here at Hickman Park. It's free of charge to take part, but children must be accompanied by an adult. And then finally, we're going to have an Easter buffet back at the church, and anybody is welcome to come along to that Easter buffet. You can book in now. It's £3.50 for adults and £1.50 for children 11 and under. And we'll have a great time celebrating Easter together.
Mother's Day is coming up on the 31st of March and we're having a special service at 11 a.m. So you can bring your friends and family along, and we're going to have a gift for all the women, and there's going to be a few extra surprises as well. So please come along to our Mother's Day service 11 a.m. on the 31st of March. Easter holidays are coming up, which means it's time for the 3rd annual 180 camping adventure. So if you are 180 age between high school, then you can come along to the camping adventure for one night, and you can pick up a letter from the welcome desk, or you can book in online. It'll cost just £15 per person, and you can get all the details from that letter or online.
We gotta share this burden. We gotta share this burden.
This October we're planning to take a team on short-term mission trip to Stockholm in Sweden. If you're interested in finding out more, then pick up a pack from the welcome desk or speak to one of our church leadership team. We hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you back next Sunday for more XL News. Just a reminder to you before we go that there's no 6 p.m. service here tonight. That's because we're going over to Brierley Hill and taking the service there. If you want more details about how you can join us there, go and speak to the welcome team. We hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you back next Sunday for more XL News.